Hello! In this brief tutorial, I will tell you how to install client libraries for Tondev Node SE. Client libraries are installed after the core components, the CLI, the node, and the compiler kit. Now, Tondev offers client libraries for most popular programming languages, Rust, JavaScript, WebAssembly, and React Native. More will come very soon. It goes without saying that before installing any of the libraries, you have to meet relevant prerequisites to work with the selected language. I have Node.js installed, so I will use Node.js library for demonstration. Let's call the relevant command. I am prompted for my password. So the files are being installed. The installation is successful. Don't mind minor warnings. They are not important and do not mean that you failed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, browse our documentation and websites for more information. Join our online communities. Bye-bye.